हेलो फ्रेंड्स, मैं हूं प्रीति दिव्यानी और आज के इस वीडियो में हम लोग जानने वाले हैं डी मोवियर्स थ्योरम के बारे में। स्टेटमेंट ये है कि इफ़ एन बी एनी इंटीजर पॉजिटिव और निगेटिव इंटीजर देन कॉस थीटा प्लस आयोटा साइन थीटा टू द पावर एन इक्वल्स टू कॉस एन थीटा प्लस आई साइन एन थीटा। इफ़ एन बी ए फ्रैक्शन then positive or negative fraction then cos n theta plus iota sin n theta is one of the values of cos theta plus iota sin theta to the power n. So we are going to prove this theorem very easily. Let's see. Case 1. When n is positive integer, when n is positive integer, we consider cos theta 1 iota sin theta 1 cos theta 2 iota sin theta 2 multiplying cos theta 1 cos theta 2 and iota sin theta 1 iota sin theta 2 I and I square, that is minus 1 sin theta 1 sin theta 2, taking iota outside, multiplying this one sin theta 1 cos theta 2 plus cos theta 1 sin theta 2. Okay, now using the formula cos theta 1 plus theta 2 plus iota sin theta 1 plus theta 2. Okay, again cos theta 1 plus iota sin theta 1 cos theta 2 plus iota sin theta 2 cos theta 3 plus iota sin theta 3. Multiplying this part we can get cos theta 1 plus theta 2 plus iota sin theta 1 plus theta 2 and write it the rest down. Okay, again multiplying this and this we get cos theta 1 plus theta 2 plus theta 3 plus iota sin theta 1 plus theta 2 plus theta 3. Cos theta 1 plus theta 2 get multiplied by cos theta 3 and iota sin theta 1 plus theta 2 get multiplied by I sin theta 3. Okay, similarly we get this one. Now similarly we can write for n terms or n factors, we get cos theta 1 iota sin theta 1 cos theta 2 iota sin theta 2 cos theta n iota sin theta n. So we get cos theta 1 theta 2 plus up to theta n plus iota sin theta 1 theta 2 up to theta n. Okay, put theta 1 is equals to theta 2 is equals to dot up to theta n is equals to theta. Okay, what will we get? Cos theta plus dot theta. ठीक है, up to n terms I sin theta plus up to n terms theta. So we get cos n theta iota sin n theta if n is positive. Now case 2, if n is negative. Okay, if n is negative then let n is equals to minus m, where m is positive integer, where m is positive integer. So write cos theta plus iota sin theta to the power minus m in place of n. Okay, So we can write this cos theta plus iota sin theta to the power m. And we know the formula of this, cos theta plus iota sin theta to the power m. If m is positive, from this one, 1 upon cos m theta plus iota sin m theta. Okay, for m is equals to positive, we know the formula. Now cos m theta minus iota sin m theta upon cos m theta plus iota sin m theta, cos m theta minus iota sin m theta. After solving, we get cos square m theta plus sin square m theta, and we know the value of this, cos m theta minus I sin m theta. This value is equals to 1. So we get cos m theta minus iota sin m theta. Now we know the two properties, that is cos x is equals to cos minus x and sin minus x is equals to minus sin x. Okay, you know this. We are going to use this formula right here, minus m theta plus iota sin minus m theta. Okay, because cos m theta is equals to cos minus m theta. Okay, and the sin m theta minus sin m theta is equals to sin of minus m theta. So we can write minus m is equals to n I sin n theta, because we let n is equals to minus m. So this is our formula. Now case 3. If n is fraction, then let n is equals to r upon s, where s is positive integer. S should be positive where r be any integer, positive or negative. Okay, positive or negative. Now from case 1 and 2 we get cos theta plus iota sin theta. So from case 1 and 2 we get cos theta plus iota sin theta to the power r. We can write it as cos r theta plus iota sin r theta. Okay, now cos r upon s into s theta, I sin r upon s into I s theta. So in this step I divide and multiply it by s. So we can write it as cos r upon s theta plus iota sin r upon s theta to the power s. Okay, from 1 and 2 we note this. Okay, now taking sth root on both sides, we get cos theta plus iota sin theta to the power, sth root should be r by s, and cos r by s theta plus iota sin r by s theta to the power s by s. So it should be 1. So this should be 1. Then cos r by s theta plus iota sin r by s theta, and we let n is equals to r by s. So we can write here cos n theta plus iota sin n theta. So here you can see you get the formula of this. So we conclude that if n is integer, whether it is positive or negative, we can get this formula cos theta plus I sin theta to the power n is equals to cos n theta plus I sin n theta. If n be fraction, even positive or negative, doesn't matter. Cos n theta plus iota sin n theta is one of the value of this one. So this is the proof of De Moivre's theorem. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching my videos.